So over here you can see that I have the structure, and I can go ahead and use my middle mouse button to go ahead and then use shift to go ahead and pan around the structure. But let's say I want to go ahead and view the structure in a walk pattern as if someone is walking by. In that case, you can actually go around onto camera and then go for walk right here. And then you get the walk option, as you can see right here. And you can click and drag to go ahead and see the walking view right here, as if you're playing a video game right here, just like this. So the eye height that is set right here is 27 inch. So let's just go ahead and type in 8. I don't need to click right here. I can just type in the number and press enter right here. So I can just go ahead and say 8 inch. So I'm just going to say 8 inch, press enter, and then you can see that this is what you have. You got the eye height right here, just like this. So let's just go around onto 8 inch right here, just like this. 8 inch 5 right here, and it actually goes up right here. And as I go ahead and click and drag, you can see that I can go ahead and navigate around this particular area right here, as if I'm working around with the video game right here, just like this. So you can go ahead right here, you can simply click and drag back, or click and drag on the front right here, and back right here, click and drag back right here to go back, click and drag right here, just like this, and then go ahead and click and drag to go ahead and navigate to different location as you need. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize the walk tool inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.